Breakdown of cover block placement. What is a cover block? A small spacer used to maintain the required distance between reinforcement bars and the outer surface of the concrete. Purpose of cover blocks *. Corrosion protection. Keeps steel away from air and moisture. Fire resistance. Insulation between rebar and fire. Structural integrity. Maintains spacing as per design. Load transfer. Ensures concrete fully covers steel. Types of cover blocks *. Concrete blocks, durable, matches concrete. Plastic/PVC blocks, lightweight, used in slabs. Fiber blocks, lightweight, rare. Standard cover thickness, IS 456:2000 *. Slab, 15 to 20 mm. Beam, 25 mm. Column, 40 mm. Footing, 50 mm. Always check structural drawing for actual cover. Placement guidelines *. Place blocks at uniform intervals, 500 to 600 mm. Use blocks at bottom, sides, and top as needed. Fix with binding wire if needed. Ensure blocks don't shift during concreting. Common site mistakes *. Skipping blocks equals steel exposed. Uneven or broken blocks. Using non-standard or soft material. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and
subscribe our channel.